The blooming world of flowers. Ponder a while. Have you ever seen bees or butterflies buzzing around the flowers? Have you ever thought that how flowers reproduce? Do you know that flowers also consist of male and female parts? Flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. Flowers help in reproduction of plants. They provide beauty and fragrance to the plant. They come in various shapes, sizes, colors, and fragrances. Parts of a flower. Flower is the part of a plant which starts as a bud near the leaf and, as the time passes, it opens up and becomes a beautiful flower. A flower has following parts. Sepals. The outermost green part of the flower, which protects a flower when it is a bud, is called sepal. Petals. Petals are present inside the sepals. They are the most attractive part of the flower. Petals of different flowers are of different colors, shapes, and sizes. Stamens. These are the male part of a flower. The plants make pollens in a part of the stamen called the anther. Carpel. The thin flask-shaped structure which lies in the middle of the flower is called carpel. It is the female part of the flower. It consists of the stigma, style, and ovary with ovules in it. Some plants bearing flowers are rose, tulip, lily, jasmine, orchid, etc. Fact trivia. The agave, also known as the century plant, grows one single bloom and dies. Pollination. The flowers bear yellow-colored powdery substances called pollen grains. The pollen grains transfer from the male part anther of the flower to the female part stigma on the flower. This process is called pollination. Birds, butterflies, bees, and wind help the pollen grains to reach the stigma. Seasonal flowers. We see flowers in every season during the year, but every flower has its own season to grow and bloom. Here are the names of some flowers and the seasons in which they bloom. Autumn flowers, zinnia, rose, chrysanthemum, etc. Spring flowers, daffodil, tulip, lily, etc. Winter flowers, rose, marigold, dahlia, etc. Summer flowers, gulmohar, jasmine, tuberose, etc. Rose and lily are some of the flowers which bloom throughout the year. Flowers in our daily life. Flowers are first of all admired for their beauty. Their varied colors and shapes add beauty to the landscape. They are an important part of our lives. There are many ways in which flowers are useful to us. Flowers as food. We eat flowers of plants like cauliflower, broccoli, banana, pumpkin, etc. as vegetables by cooking them. Petals of rose are used to make gulkand. Flowers for decoration. At the time of functions, festivals, weddings, etc., we use a number of flowers for decoration. We also make rangolis with different colored petals of flowers. Flowers for wearing. We make garlands of flowers to wear. In many parts of our country, women use garlands of flowers called gajras to wear in their hair. Flowers for worshipping. In India, most of the people use flowers for worshipping God. They dedicate the flowers to God. Flowers for greeting. On many occasions, such as birthdays, parties, weddings, etc., people use bouquet of flowers for greeting other people. For different occasions, different flowers are used. This is because different flowers have different significance. Some of them are red rose, love, beauty, and passion. Lily, purity. Daisy, innocence. Dahlia, dignity and elegance.